Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to replace a page in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to update a single page in a document without recreating the entire file, whether it's fixing an error or updating information. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your PDF files and tools. Now navigate to Recent Files and select the file where you want to replace a page. If your file isn't in the Recent Files list, you can always browse to locate it on your computer. Once you've found the right document, click on it to open it in Adobe Acrobat. With your PDF open, look over to the left panel of the screen. Here you'll find various tools for managing your document. Click on Organize Pages. This tool gives you a visual overview of all the pages in your document, making it easy to select and modify specific pages. Now comes the crucial part. Click on the page you want to replace. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating it's been selected. This is the page that will be swapped out for the new content you're about to insert. With your page selected, look back at the left panel and click Replace. This action tells Adobe Acrobat that you want to substitute the selected page with content from another file. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. Browse to locate the file you want to use as the replacement, then click Open. Adobe Acrobat will process this selection and prepare to insert the new page into your document. This might take a moment depending on the file size. A Replace dialog box will appear on your screen, giving you one final confirmation before making the change. Review the details to ensure everything looks correct, then click OK. Adobe Acrobat will now swap out the old page with your new content seamlessly. Finally, in the upper right corner of the screen, click the Save button. This step is essential as it commits all your changes to the document. Without saving, your replacement won't be preserved when you close the file. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced a page in your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, keeping your file up to date without starting from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.